I have this nice step open trash can, and it just so happens to be a mini trash can, 2.6 gallons. It's a cute one. We can step on it to open it up. Stands all the way up and has a nice soft close to it. We look inside, put the liner in a little plastic bucket, the little metal spring in there, open it up, and the plastic bag pokes through the hole in the back. And it just slides back into the can like all of them do. And there goes the soft close again. It'll fit nicely in the laundry room. That's where we want to put it, but most likely it's going to be next to my tool chest in the garage. I can quickly put trash in there when I have greasy or gluey hands. Don't want to touch the garbage can. When you want to clean it, just use a dry or damp cloth, but don't do a cleaner that's abrasive or corrosive on the metal. It'll etch it. Nice quality trash can.